Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to separate audio in OBS Studio. First go to Setting, then go to Output, select Advanced, now go to Recording, mark all audio track, select Apply. Now go to Audio, select Desktop Audio to default, select your microphone, then click OK. Now add sources, select Application Audio Capture, give it your audio capture name. Select the one you want to capture audio from. Add another. Now on the audio mixer, select three dot option, then go to Advanced Audio Properties. Now first uncheck all of this. Now select tracks 1, 2, 3. Don't check desktop audio. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.